Today we're going to test out the Paderno polished stainless steel stovetop kettle. It holds 2 quarts, so 8 cups. It has a ergonomic handle, safe cool touch. Also a safe cool touch for the top handle here. Fits nice and tight. It's got a spout cover that locks so you can open it when you're pouring, and then it also locks when you put it down. It has a handle that folds over so you can fill it easily
or store it.
And it has a lifetime warranty.
Open up the lid.
And it also has a strainer in there for loose leaf tea, if that's the kind of tea you drink. And let's try out this kettle today. We're gonna make some tea. Pours nice, keeps the steam away from your hands. And it doesn't drip like some of the older kettles do. If you want to try out this product, Canadian Tire sells it.
I like it.
It's a great product.